Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our new lesson from the book Beehive, lesson number 3. The name of our lesson is The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. So, first of all, I would like to introduce you the author of the lesson. That is, Catherine Mansfield was born on 14 October 1888 and was a prominent short story writer. She famous for her short stories. Born and brought up in colonial New Zealand, at the age of 19, she left New Zealand and settled in UK, where she became a friend of modern writers. She died on 9th January 1923, and much of her work remained unpublished till her death. So, this is what about the Catherine Mansfield. Now, I would like to tell you about the theme of the story, means the whatever the short story which is given for the study for us. The theme of the story is what? Children have natural attachment with their parents. So this is what obviously we are very much attached with our parents. They always desire to receive, means the children always desire to receive their love and affection. So the same it is there with the case of the character which is there in our story. The rude behavior of parents only develops a deep sense of separation among the children. Means if the parents are behaving very rudely with the children, then they started to move away or separate from their parents. However, even if our parents are rude, means even if they angry on us sometimes, they still have only one desire, that they want to make us successful. This is what their only desire about us. They worked hard to make their children very happy. So this is what the what we can say that fact about the parents. So now the same case it is there in the story which is explained here, and you will come to know about this fact. Okay, so the Kezia is the main character of this story. So I am going to start with the lesson. This short story is based on a young life of Catherine Mansfield, which she explained through this short story about her own life through the character Kezia. Kezia is a little girl, and the main character of this story, her father is a very successful businessman. Her father is a businessman, but for her, he is a figure to be feared and avoided. Means because of the very strange behavior of her father towards her, she developed a fear in her mind. Every morning before going to the job, he gives a casual kiss to the little girl, means to Kezia, and she responds with a goodbye father. That is what only interaction between her and her father. In the evening, when father gets back from the job, Kezia helps him remove his shoes. Her mother tells her that it is her reward for being a good girl. Means her mother always used to tell her about to be a good girl. Her father asked for the newspaper and tea coming back from his office. She always stuttered while speaking with her father because her father was behaving very rude with her. Kezia always went to the church with her father on Sunday. On Sunday afternoon, Kezia's grandmother sent her to talk to her parents as she wanted to maintain a good kind of relationship between Kezia and her parents. But when she reached to the drawing room, she found they were always busy. She always found her mother reading and her father stretched on the sofa. His face was covered with his handkerchief and one foot on a cushion. And in his sleep, he used to snore. One day, when Kezia was kept indoors due to cold, her grandmother, suggested her to make a pin cushion for her father. She took it as an opportunity. She stitched three sides of the cushion and went to her mother's bedroom to look for scraps with which she could fill the cushion. So that is what she wanted to give a surprise to her father. And her grandmother also wanted to make a better relationship between her and her father. So for that surprise, she started with a pin cushion, and after sewing the three sides, she wanted to fill it with something. So she was in search of the scraps. So on the bed table, she found a great many sheets of fine paper. So there, on the bed table, the sheets were lying there. She picked up them and tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed them into the cushion. After that, she sewed the fourth side of the cushion. That night, a huge noise it was there in the house and a cry. Actually, the papers which she tore was contained her father's speech for the Port Authority. After some time, he came to know that Kezia had torn them into pieces to make a pin cushion. So he got know about the fact. He got very much angry on Kezia and beat her with a ruler. She sobbed after that for hours. So from that moment only she started to afraid with her father a lot. So this is what the here I am going to stop here. Okay. So in the next part we'll see the half of the story. Thank you.